Today we're doing forearm balance. This is called Pincha Mayurasana in yoga. I'll take you step by step so you can do it at home. I'm Nora Day. Here we go, everybody. Let's learn our forearm balance. Here we go. Come on your knees. One of the priorities, of course, is your foundation. So your foundation is your arms. You're on your forearms. Hands come down. Hands are parallel. Ideally, your elbows are behind your wrists and your shoulders are above your elbows. Have nice right angles. I spread my fingers because I want to grip the mat. Okay? Now that I've laid my foundation, I pick the knees up. Lift one leg. I'm already thinking extension in that top leg. Reach that top leg up. Tilt the body forward. Keep extension. Up with the top leg. Up, 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 up. No rush. I have extension through my quads, through my kneecaps, through my toes. No rush. Soft gaze. Focus. Try and hold the pose. Breathe in the pose. Come down slow, extension. Keep the eyes soft. Lengthen the legs. No rush. Balance. Forearm balance is an amazing strength builder in your mind and in your body. This is one of the hardest inversions there is in yoga. The key, of course, is your foundation. After your foundation, the key is absolutely staying calm with no rush. Try this. You're going to do really good at it, I promise.